Hi guys, how are you? This is Sean, founder of HyperSKU. So as I mentioned in the past, like the PCB is the core function, core parts of all the equipment, like beauty equipment, laptops, and also wellness equipment, and also all the home appliances as well. So today I get a chance to show you a PCB factory, how it works and why the quality is so important. Follow me. So this is the first step. This machine will insert all the accessories which can be inserted by my machine onto the PCB board. So this is the second step on the PCB. You need to actually stitch the glue or melt the silicone. So this is the machine actually basically printing the lines on the PCB. Now the third step, SMT placement. There are some little parts, little accessories will be placed by this machine onto the PCB. So this is the fourth step. It's an oven. You actually bring the hot wind on both sides to melt the silicone and to make sure all the parts assembled correctly on the stick on the PCB. Now all the procedures which can be made by the machine is done. Now we need to go to the other side of the factory to see how the workers assemble the other parts. But now this is the handmade part, putting all the accessories, all different functioning parts into the PCB. Now there's another machine to fix all the parts on the PCB. There will be light machine and also electricity machine to check whether all the parts are functioning. This is a quick tour to PCB factory. Hope you like the content. If you have any questions, if you want to tailor-made any kind of equipment, you want to know more about the PCB, subscribe our channel and leave your questions or comments below. Have a nice day.